Okay, this is the tail wheel assembly here, and you can see here that the changes I made to the files is to put the hinge right onto this piece, so it's one piece less to glue, and the control arm I bent it like this, so you get the tail wheel, rudder horn, and the rudder in the same wire. So you make an S-bend like that. So now I'm going to put in the control arm for the elevator. So that's the next thing to do. Here's the control. I use I think it's a 2mm carbon rod, and on the ends is piano wire. This is the elevator assembly with the rudder horn. Like so. And then we just put it in. Oh, yeah. Like so. Make sure that it's going into the holder here in the servo. Okay, that's in place. Now we're gonna make some hinges for the elevator. Okay, then I use this kind of wire. It's quite soft wire, about a millimeter. Do like a hook, so it's easier to get it in, and then do like this. Start with this right one, like so. Pull it together very carefully, it's so easy to damage the plastic hinges. And then just clip it off, cut it flush like that, and we got a hinge. Very easy. I'm sure it's other ways to do this, but I found this very easy, and yeah, it's quite easy to if you want to change anything, to remove the hinges and make new ones. Okay, we got the problem here, I see. You see, this control horn for the elevators must be put as far left as possible, because if it's not, it will actually clash into this part. And I glued it too far right, so it will actually clash into this part. So I have to cut out for that. I think I make a small, let's see, it's about there. I will actually cut out. I'm at the field here, not in my workshop, so I don't have the proper equipment and the proper tools. It's always fun to make field mechanics, field work. You take what you have. It's not necessarily good, but this knife was very bad. So, I think that's enough. Okay, next step is to put this wire into that hole, like so. Like so, and make the hinges align like so. Perfect. We just have to make hinges for the rudder as well. Same procedure.